Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. Alright, this is my first introduction to Close Your Eyes on YouTube. I feel like I checked them out on Twitch. Some of Close Your Eyes fans came to my Twitch and requested this, not this specific video, but requested past the videos. I feel like this is not their first song, right? But I'm gonna check them out. I'm gonna get my full attention. Close Your Eyes, XMV. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh, oh, I love the piano. Ooh. Oh, love it. Done.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Did Thanos snap him? Oh, how many boys are in here? I like the beat so far too. Talk about it. Oh, uno más. Oh, I like his pants too. Wait, the cracks are... Ooh, okay, shining light. Is that a drone? Ah. Ooh. I'm loving it, I'm loving it. Got me in the mood. How old are y'all? I never did my research. Kind of going in blind. Ooh. Okay. With a bass too. What's happening in the background? It's like the FX artist editor, just like give me everything. Good singing too. I don't know who's who yet, but woohoo. Chills, y'all. Oh, the production, this is fire. Music wise, music video wise. Ooh, all white. It's not the X Twitter though. I'm on that blue sky, yo. That little glitch right here. Let me see if I could find it again. My bad, hold up. I like that part. Hey, hey. Hey, they are killing, bro. Ooh, I love the beat. Who making? They got a good team around them. It seems like. Wow. Oh, clean. Third mini album. What the fuck? Where have I been at? Oh, I need to catch up. Y'all, let me know what for me to check out. Do I need to check out everything? Ooh, oh, that's sick. That's sick. Encore? Oh, they have a lot. Close Your Eyes. SOB. The hell? Like son of a bee? Anyways, Put a comment down below if you know this group. If you don't know this group and you're watching this with me for the first time, let me know what you think. If you do know this group, give me some good recommendations. Who is your bias? I don't know the members as of yet, so right now I'm a casual listener. I'm a fan. I'm definitely a fan right after this. I'm definitely gonna be adding this to the playlist. Definitely. Wait, I might be forgetful because it looks like I already have their whole EP downloaded. Their whole which one? Eternaut? I did check this out on Twitch, didn't I? I definitely did. This is the new one, right? With X. I'm gonna download this too. Am I being too eager? Maybe not. I don't know. All right, y'all. Put a comment down below. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre from JREKML, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link for my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.